equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Rowenta RR7455 vacuum cleaner and place it on a flat surface. This will ensure safety while you work on it. Next, locate the battery compartment, which is typically found at the back of the unit. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. You may notice some dust or debris inside the compartment. It's a good idea to clean this area with a soft cloth to ensure optimal performance. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Now, you will see the battery connected to the vacuum. Carefully disconnect the battery by pulling the connector away from the terminal. Take note of how the battery is positioned, as you will need to install the new one in the same orientation. Next, take your new battery and connect it to the terminal, ensuring it clicks into place securely. If you're unsure about which battery to purchase, we can provide a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you choose the right one. After connecting the new battery, replace the battery cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure the cover is snug and there are no gaps. Once the cover is back in place, give your vacuum a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or dust. It's important to keep your appliance clean for both aesthetic and functional reasons. Now, plug in your Rowenta RR7455 and turn it on to test the new battery. If everything is working correctly, you should notice improved suction and performance. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you can understand the costs involved without any surprises. In summary, changing the battery in your Rowenta RR7455 vacuum cleaner is a straightforward process that can be done with minimal tools. However, if you prefer not to tackle this yourself, our services include no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without hassle. Enjoy your clean home with your newly powered vacuum. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.